Hello, Woodhorn Railway here again. Just an introduction to the new Assessble carriage, which will be available from 2 months from today, and that's approximate, depends on how the rest of the work goes. Still got a bit more to do, like the air hoses here, they still need to be connected onto the back plate, and also if you can see under there, there's an electrical connection that still needs to be connected up, and the same on the other side. On the other side there we've got our main guard switch and also the secondary air supply. Now this coach will be used as a pushback service, so single car with the local on this end pushing back, unless it goes into main service with two of the other man riding cars that we have. That's when you need both ends of the air. Now the name is Kate. This is a temporary sign. We're getting a new one from the local blacksmiths. The name is Kate. And the Ellie comes from a friend of the railway's daughter who sadly passed away from leukemia, I believe. Meningitis about 2-3 months ago. And the name Kate comes from the granddaughter of Edward Stanton, which is our Shomer locomotive name, and his daughter and the granddaughter Kate did lots of runs about a year ago to raise money for the Assessble carriage, and they raised £1,000, which has been very grateful. On the side we have the run of the air hose and electrics, which are all tied together so they can't escape, and then underneath we've got the brake cylinders and brake blocks. The top section and the roof were fitted by Andrew Leeming, Les Chilton and James-WNGR. The main design for the top section was done by Andrew Leeming, and the brakes were constructed by Storforge. The main base, the black base of the coach, came from Hayling Island Railway, and that was delivered to us mid-2009, so this project's been going on quite a while now. We have been raising money since we first started back in 1993, so it's a lifelong project for the railway, and it's finally coming into fruition. The access car will carry 4 wheelchairs, 2 guards at this end, 2 carers at this end, and there's a guard seat at the other end of the coach. Now there's only a single guard seat at that end because the guard needs to be able to spin round and look on the way back, so we can use the flags to tell the driver whether the track is clear ahead, because the driver won't be able to see round the curves before the guard. Thank you and subscribe.